Open the box, take out the product. Remove the packaging. Remove the front fork guard. Remove the screw. Align the wheel with the front fork. Fit the brake disc into the dropout. Fasten the screw. Lock the head tube. Open the tube lock. Insert the handlebar. Fasten the tube lock. Remove the screw. Insert the mudguard from back to front. Fasten the mudguard and headlight with the screw. Pass the screw through the support hole and tighten up. Open the seat tube lock. Insert the seat tube. Lift the seat. Fasten the seat tube lock. Install left pedal counterclockwise through the threaded hole. Install right pedal clockwise through the threaded hole. Turn the key counterclockwise. The battery pops up. Remove the battery. Place back the battery. Adjust the speed based on your need. Fold the handlebar. Fold from the middle.